Hey, so if you want to have a YouTube channel with 27,000 subscribers and have it not be monetized, I am going to tell you about how I was able to do that. As you can see here, my channel has gotten 14.7 million views so far, and I have 12.4 thousand subscribers. Now, these are awesome metrics, and you would think that with over 14 million views and over 20,000 subscribers, you would probably be monetized, but I am not, and I'm going to tell you why. The short answer is that I've been inconsistent. I've been very inconsistent. I have one YouTube short that accounts for over 20,000 subscribers and 12.6 million of my views. And it's actually this one that we can see right here. It's called Fast-Paced FPV Drone Freestyle, and it's like a 28-second clip, or I guess 32-second clip of me flying a freestyle FPV drone in a office like parking lot, and it just went viral. I don't know why. The formula just worked and the algorithm picked it up. I was super stoked when all of this happened, but it actually happened at, I guess, a less than opportune time because YouTube was not monetizing shorts at the time. It was, I guess, the earlier stages of YouTube shorts, and most of these 12.6 million views actually didn't get counted towards my monetization credits. So I was not able to apply for the YouTube partner program and get monetized, even though I had a video that got me a ton of subscribers and a lot of views. Now, take those metrics and then pair it with the fact that I was not consistently uploading long form or short form content for a long period of time. And even when I was, oftentimes the videos would be kind of random in terms of their topic or just overall not very well put together. I like to take pride in my videos, and I think that some of them are really good, but I'll be honest in that I was just kind of randomly uploading with no set schedule. I didn't have much consistency, and the quality of my videos wasn't as good as I like to think it is today. When you combine all of these things, and I think the biggest thing here is the lack of consistency. Consistency is everything. If you want to be successful at something in your life, you have to be consistent at it. If you want to be fit, you go to the gym consistently. You can't go to the gym and work super hard one day a month and then never go back and expect to be jacked like a bodybuilder. Those guys are doing it every day, right? So it's the same concept with YouTube. If you want to find success, whether your metric of success is your viewers, your subscribers, or how much money you're getting from ad revenue, you have to upload frequently, and you also have to do a good job while you're doing it, right? Like just showing up is a really big part of the battle, but making sure that doing something that counts when you show up is really important too. And that's just high level life advice that I need to learn how to follow, but I'm really starting to think about it a lot more as we go into 2025. I've always wanted to find success on YouTube, and I think I need to start holding myself a little bit more accountable because I have never uploaded consistently, and now I'm telling myself that I'm going to. If we go over to the earn section on my YouTube Creator Studio, you'll see that my eligibility to earn is just about where it needs to be to become a partner. I currently have 2,991 public watch hours, and as soon as I hit 3,000, I will be able to apply to the program, and that's huge because it's been a goal of mine to get this channel monetized since I started it, and it's taken a lot longer than I wanted to get there. These last 9 public watch hours will very likely arrive in the next 24 hours. And from there, I'm going to apply and then ideally get this channel monetized. And what that means for me is that I have a reason to hold myself more accountable to create more consistent, high quality content, including the photo and editing tutorials, the behind the scenes footage, the FPV drone videos, and everything in between. The things that I've been uploading to this channel, I want to continue doing and maybe even try out some new stuff. I just want to dive deeper into the creator space, right? Like, I love working with cameras. I love working with drones. And to be able to share that with people, help educate and get good feedback in the comments, and just kind of like ideally create a community of like-minded individuals, like that is the goal. Like, I want to be able to help people who are trying to become better photographers and videographers, and then also learn from these people so that I can become a better photographer and videographer. With all of that being said, I just wanted to make this video to show that being inconsistent is the quickest way to not succeed on YouTube, and also to hold myself accountable to be more consistent for the remainder of my YouTube career. So let's see if it happens.